My Nest thermostats are not recharging. They have been replaced twice and still the same problem. I have a Taco SR503 relay. I read that I need to place a 1000 ohm half resistor between C and W in the Taco in order for the common to have enough power to recharge my Nests. Is this correct, and which W on the rel?
Just to clarify, do you think this is a larger HVAC problem, or something specific to the thermostat?
Specific to Taco SR503.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Wanted to.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hi, I am GasTech1, an independent technician. I will assist you with your issue. This will credit me for assisting you. That is correct. Put resistor on thermostat terminal C and W.
The resistor goes behind the thermostats, not in the Taco SR503? I'd rather text as I can't talk right now.
One or the other, it's the same. You put it relay, it's between 24V coil terminal.
A 1000 ohm half watt resistor soldered between the W in the common and the Taco relay switch? Which W in the Taco relay switch is there are 3 zones, one for my hot water and the other 2 for my thermostats.
Goes at the transformer 24-volt source. Hello, take close-up, exceedingly well-focused photos of the wiring diagram glued inside the Taco relay, and the wiring inside the Taco relay box that shows all of the wires. And I will mark that up with wiring instructions. Use the Add Files link next to your Send button to get the photos to me. http://worldwar2.justanswer.com/help/how do I send photo or file expert HL. We can go from there.
If you need additional pics, let me know. As you can see, there is a common 24V to the left but no power, or not enough to recharge the Nests.
Hello again. Click here, please do those tests. Let's see how it goes. That will allow me to hold the question open beyond this answer to any extensive coaching you might need later.
I will test when I get home this evening and let you know.
Great, we can go from here without a time limit.
Okay, so Zone 1 is the hot water heater, reads 28 VAC always. Zone 2 and 3 are the Nest thermostats, they read 24-28 VAC when off, and voltage meter just beeps when Nests are set to 80 degrees. The beeping in my meter's manual says that means continuity.
Thanks, that resistor on Zone 2 and Zone 3.
A resistor on each zone going from red to white? How is this going to fix my common wire problem whereas the Nests are not recharging?
It bleeds trace amounts of current back through to the Nest at all times.
Do I even need the C wire connected? What kind of resistor?
That resistor size was specified in your original post. Click here, please.
Last question, do I still need a C wire?
Yes, C wire is absolutely vital in order to operate the thermostat.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.